Class 9th, Science, Chapter 13, Carbon, an important element, with question and answers. Before starting the workshop, hi friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Subscribe my channel and touch the bell icon to get the notification of new video. Question 1. Select the proper option and complete the statements. 1. A carbon atom forms a covalent bond with other atoms. In this bond, the two atoms share electrons. 2. All the carbon bonds in a saturated hydrocarbon share electrons. 3. At least one carbon bond in an unsaturated hydrocarbon is multiple. 4. Carbon is the essential element in all the organic compounds. 5. The element hydrogen is present in most of the organic compounds. Question 2. Answer the following questions. A. Why are carbon and its compounds used as fuels? Most of the carbon compounds give a lot of heat and light when burned in air. Saturated hydrocarbons undergo complete consumption to form carbon dioxide and water, and no smoke is produced. Hence, carbon and its compounds are used as fuels. B. In which compound form does carbon occur? Carbon occurs in the combined state in the following compounds. 1. Carbon dioxide, and in the form of carbonates such as calcium carbonate, marble, calamine, etc. 2. Fossil fuels, coal, petroleum and natural gas. 3. Carbonaceous nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats. 4. Natural fibers, cotton, wool and silk. C. Write the uses of diamond. 1. Diamonds are used in glass cutting and rock drilling machines. 2. Diamonds are used as a precious stone in jewelry. 3. Diamond dust is used for polishing other diamonds. 4. Diamond is used to make windows, giving protection from radiation in space and in artificial satellites. 5. Diamond knives are used in the eye surgery. Question 3. Explain the difference. Diamond and graphite. Diamond is a hard, beautiful, crystalline substance. Graphite is a soft, black and brittle crystalline substance. Diamond has a rigid, tetragonal, three-dimensional structure. Graphite has a hexagonal, layered structure. There are no free electrons in diamond. There are free electrons in graphite. Diamond is a bad conductor of electricity. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Crystalline forms of carbon and non-crystalline forms of carbon. A crystalline form has a regular and definite arrangement of carbon atoms. A non-crystalline form has an irregular arrangement of carbon atoms. In crystalline forms, they have high and sharp melting and boiling points. In non-crystalline, they melt over a large range of temperature. In crystalline, they have a definite geometrical shape. In non-crystalline, they do not have a definite geometrical shape. The crystalline forms of carbon are diamond, graphite, and fullerene. The non-crystalline form of carbon are coal, coke, charcoal, etc. Question 4. Write scientific reasons. A. Graphite is a conductor of electricity. In each layer of graphite, free electrons move continuously within the entire layer. These electrons can conduct electricity. Hence, graphite is a good conductor of electricity. 2. Graphite is not used in ornaments. The property that is used in making ornaments and jewelry is transparency of substance and reflection of light, which graphite does not possess. Also, graphite is soft, black, brittle, and opaque, unlike diamond, which is transparent, hard, and reflects light. Hence, graphite is not used for making ornaments. Lime water turns milky when carbon dioxide is passed through it. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky white due to the formation of white insoluble calcium carbonate, which precipitates out of the solution. Biogas is an eco-friendly fuel. Production of biogas is an anaerobic process, which means there is no form of combustion involved. It is considered to be a renewable resource as it is produced from organic waste materials. There is a little emission of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, which is equal to the amount needed for plants to grow. Hence, biogas is an eco-friendly fuel. Question 5. Explain the following. Diamond, graphite, and fullerenes are crystalline forms of carbon. Diamond, graphite, and fullerenes are crystalline form of carbon as they have a regular and definite arrangement of atoms. They have a definite geometrical shape. Diamond. Pure diamond is the hardest natural substance known on earth. In diamond, every carbon atom is bonded to 4 other neighboring carbon atoms by covalent bonds. Diamond has high melting point at 3500 degrees Celsius. 2. Graphite. 2. Graphite. Graphite found in nature is black, soft, brittle, and slippery. In graphite, each carbon atom is covalently bonded to other neighboring carbon atoms to form a hexagonal layered structure. Graphite crystal is made of many layers of carbon atoms. 3. Fullerenes. Fullerene is nearly found in nature but is found in soot and interstellar space. A molecule of fullerenes consists of 30 to 900 carbon atoms. Methane is called marsh gas. Methane is produced when vegetation decomposes naturally in marshes and swamps by anaerobic digestion. As methane is found at the surface of such marshy places, it is also called as marsh gas. Petrol, diesel, coal are fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are formed from plants, animals, and other creatures that died millions of years ago and got buried under the earth. their remains gradually change over the years due to the heat and pressure in the Earth's crust, forming coal, oil, and natural gas. These substances release energy when burnt and are used as fuels. D. Uses of various allotropes of carbon. 1. Uses of diamond. Diamonds are used in glass cutting and rock drilling machines. Diamonds are used as a precious stone in jewelry. Diamond dust is used for polishing other diamond. Diamond is used to make windows, giving protection from radiation in space and in artificial satellites. Diamond knives are used in the eye surgery. 2. Uses of graphite. It is used for making lubricants. It is used for making carbon electrodes. It is used in pencil for writing. It is used in paints and polish. It is used in arc lamp, which gives a very bright light. Uses of fullerenes. Fullerenes are used in insulators. They are used as a catalyst in water purification. Uses of coke. Coke is used as domestic fuel. It is used as a reducing agent. It is used in production of water gas and producer gas. Uses of coal. Coal is used as fuel in factories and homes. It is used to obtain coke, coal gas, and coal tar. It is used in thermal power plant for generation of electricity. Uses of carbon dioxide in fire extinguisher. 1. Fires need oxygen, fuel, and heat to ignite, and removing any one of these three components can put out a fire. 2. Carbon dioxide based fire extinguisher work because carbon dioxide molecules are heavier than oxygen molecules, and that thus they push out oxygen surrounding the fire, extinguishing the blaze. 3. In addition, carbon dioxide based fire extinguishers do not cause corrosion and are not conductors of electricity. 4. Therefore, these are generally used when electrical and electronic equipment catches fire. Practical uses of carbon dioxide. 1. Carbon dioxide is used to make aerated drinks. 2. Carbon dioxide under pressure is used in fire extinguishers. 3. Liquefied carbon dioxide is used as a solvent for dry cleaning. 4. Solid carbon dioxide is used in cold storage to keep milk, milky product, and other frozen substances cool during transport. 5. Liquefied carbon dioxide is used to remove caffeine from coffee. Question 6. Write two physical properties each. Diamond. Pure diamond is the hardest known natural substance. Its melting point is 3500 degrees Celsius. Charcoal. Charcoal is a lightweight black form of carbon. It is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Fullerene. It is a crystalline allotropes of carbon which is found in the form of buckyballs and buckytubes. Fullerene are soluble in organic solvents. Question 7. Complete the following chemical reactions. Methane plus oxygen after reaction carbon dioxide plus water and heat. Second, methane plus chlorine after reaction methyl chloride and hydrochloric acid. Third, sodium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide after reaction sodium carbonate and water. Question 8. Write answers to the following in detail. What are the different types of coal? What are their uses? The different types of coal are 1. Peat. Peat formation is the first step in the formation of coal. It is a brown material consisting of partly decomposed organic matter. It contains a high proportion of water and less than 60% of carbon. Uses. Dry form of peat can be used as fuel. 2. Lignite. Lignite formation is the second step in the formation of coal. It is also referred to as brown coal. It is formed from peat due to increased pressure and temperature inside the earth. It has a carbon content of around 60 to 70%. Uses. 1. Lignite is used exclusively as a fuel for steam electric power generation. 2. It can also be used as an alternative to chemical pesticides. 3. Bituminous coal. Bituminous coal is formed in the third step in the formation of coal. It is a relatively soft coal containing tar-like substances called bitumen and is often referred to as black coal. It has a carbon content of around 70 to 90%. It is of higher quality than lignite. Uses. It is used as a fuel to produce steam that runs train locomotives. It was previously used as a domestic fuel. 4. Anthracite. It is a hard compact variety of coal and is known as the pure form of coal. It contains about 95% of carbon. Uses. It is used in metal smelting and fabrication industries. How will you prove experimentally that graphite is good conductor of electricity? Aim to prove that graphite conducts electricity. Apparatus, lead pencil, battery, small bulb, electrical wires. And our diagram. Procedure. Sharpen only pencil from both its ends. Now connect both the sharpened ends using electrical wires, one end to a battery and the other end to a small bulb, which in turn is connected to the other end of the battery. Start the electric current in the circuit and observe. Observation. The electric bulb in the circuit glows. Inference. This experiment shows that graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Explain the properties of carbon. Carbon is a soft, grey or black nonmetal. Carbon is found in air, carbon dioxide and also in fuel like biogas, petroleum and marsh gas. Elemental carbon is an inert substance insoluble in water, acids, bases and organic solvents. It forms covalent bond with other carbon atoms or with atoms of other elements. Carbon exists in nature in more than one form. Classify carbon. Carbon is classified into two types. 1. Crystalline forms. 2. Non-crystalline forms. The crystalline forms of carbon are further classified into three types. 1. Diamond. Pure diamond is the hardest natural substance known on Earth. In diamond, every carbon atom is bonded to 4 other neighboring carbon atoms by covalent bonds. Diamond has a melting point of 3500 degrees Celsius. It is a bad conductor of electricity. 2. Graphite. Graphite found in nature is black, soft, brittle, and slippery. A graphite crystal is made of many layers of carbon atoms which slip over one another on applying pressure. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. 3. Fullerenes. Fullerene is rarely found in nature but is found in soot and interstellar space. A molecule of fullerenes consists of 30 to 900 carbon atoms. Fullerene molecules are found in the form of buckyballs and bucket tubes. Non-crystalline forms of carbon are also further classified into following types. A. Coal. It is of 4 types. 1. Peat. 2. Lignite. 3. Bituminous coal. And 4 is anthracite. Peat formation is the first step in the formation of coal, and lignite is the second step in the formation of coal. Bituminous coal is the third step in formation of coal, and anthracite is known as the pure form of coal. It contains about 95% of carbon. B. Charcoal. It is a lightweight black residue formed by the combustion of wood, bones, horns, etc. in a limited supply of air. C. Coke. The pure coal that remains when coal gas is removed from coal is called coke. Question 9. How will you verify the properties of carbon dioxide? The properties of carbon dioxide can be verified by carrying out the reaction between calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Carbon dioxide obtained in this reaction is tested for different properties. 1. Color. It is found to be colorless. 2. Odor. It is found to be odorless. 3. Carbon dioxide neither burns nor supports combustion. 4. On testing with universal indicator solution, yellow or orange color is obtained. 5. On pouring some amount of water into a jar containing carbon dioxide, carbonic acid is formed due to the solubility in water. 6. Carbon dioxide is acidic in nature, so the blue litmus paper turns red while the red litmus paper remains as it is. 7. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate is formed. 8. When carbon dioxide is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate is formed. So friends, thanks for watching this video.